What up, great people? It's your favorite rope guy here, Lawrence from LOfitnez, and today I'll be showing you how to do the Southpaw move like Jake Gyllenhaal. If you're new to this channel and you want to learn how to jump rope, motivated by your workout to be fit, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We had already shot this video earlier, but it had a poor audio quality, and thanks so much to Hi6911 to giving us a good and honest feedback on our audio. And because of you guys, we are shooting or reshooting this video right now to give you better version and good audio quality. I hope this audio quality is good enough to give you the presentation for you to better learn this move like a pro. So the first few things you need to get or know before you nail this move like a professional is first, a good jump rope. Now, target jump rope that don't have loose rotatory mechanism, so once you enter the action, it doesn't tangle or twist to get tangled and trip on you. Now, after getting a good jump rope, next thing is how to grip this rope to give you that flexibility to move, because the hands movement of this move actually involves crossing your hand and opening, crossing your hand and opening. Now, this hand actually crosses, just do the most of the whip walk. So it's cross and whip open, cross and whip open. You need to practice this without the rope. Now, these hands that stay on the same side of the body when the opposite hand crosses, they kind of make an outwards rotation with the handle of the rope. So once this is coming, whipping in, this one makes an outward rotation to make sure the rope flows perfectly. Then you can whip again to come back to the normal position. Same thing applies to the other side of the body. Once this one is bringing the rope, this one whips outwards, this one whips inwards, and you continue your move. That is the first version of this move. Now, the second version of this move, which is what Jake uses in his movie, is the clap version. Now, what you do is, from your normal jump position, you kind of bring your hands together to your side, you whip open, take it to the other side, you whip open, take it to the other side, you whip open. It's very, very simple. If you practice this without the rope, then you incorporate the rope. Now, to show you properly how to grip the handles, you have to grip it such a way that your fingers clench from down below while your thumb points forward, just like so. And yeah, to show you with the handles more, this hand kind of bring the rope here, this whip outward to make sure the rope does not tangle, and you whip backwards to enter. Same thing apply to this side. So once this rope is coming, I whip with this hand rotating outside, then I whip open and continue. So that's what you just need to make this move work for you. Now, the clap version will be something like so. So once the rope is coming, you put your hands together, you whip open, you put your hands together, you whip open. Very simple. So let's put these two moves together, then we'll move to the footwork we can use with this move. Now, from this position, I go slowly. Using the first variation of this move, I kind of go slowly, slowly. You notice what my hands are doing? Let me give you a side view. So it's kind of creating a backward rotation while this one whips the rope to the side to make sure it doesn't trip or tangle to trip on you. So I'll be doing on this side for you to see. Notice what both hands do. You notice that? So that's the first variation of this move. Make sure you're doing this outward rotation with your hands. Now, to show you the main Jake's version, which is the clap version, we have to go this way. You clap, you open, you clap, you open, you clap, you open, you clap, you open. Very, very simple. You don't need that rotatory mechanism. You just need to put your hands together. Excuse me. Put your hands together and whip open. It's that simple, guys. Now, once you can learn this, or once you can do this very well without the rope, incorporate your rope, and you're comfortable with it, the next thing we should pay attention to are footworks. They are very sweet 3 footworks that can go in with this move very, very well. Now, the first one will be, once you're learning, do the regular or basic bounce, which is just something like this. And Jake used this in his video, but he was flexing at his knee, which is not what I'll advise you to do right now, because it will make you look slick at all, and it will stress you a lot to do that. So just do your regular bounce slowly and few inches off the ground, because our rope is very tiny and you don't need that huge space for you to pass through. So to practice with the basic or regular bounce footwork, doing the first variation of the move, we'll do something like this. So you notice how I'm moving. Let me do it on one side, Same other side. Then the clap movement. So you notice what's happening. I'm not jumping so high, but each time I whip, my height of jump kind of supersedes the previous one. And yeah, that's what you need with this basic or regular bounce footwork. Now the next footwork will be the hops. I'll show you then explain what really happens with the hops. So from this position, kind of hop, see, it's more fun with this move, and you can easily transit from the hop footwork to the running in place footwork and do it faster. And that will be the last footwork I'll show you. Now pay attention to this footwork, right? Now when doing the hop, the side of the leg that hops runs to the side of the hands that cross to whip open. So once you do it that way, you look sleek. And yeah, it's something like this. Remember, the side of the leg that hops is the side of the hand that whip across. So just put that to practice. It's as simple as that. Practice with it and you'll be very good at it. Now, the running in place footwork, which you can easily use to transit from the hop to running in place footwork, and also transit from the main move to maybe crossovers or other jump rope tricks. Very, very sweet. Something like this. So let's say I started my regular or boxer skip and I enter the hops and I want to go fast. I start. So let me go slow for you to understand what really happens. You can notice the hand and leg movement. This one seems almost opposite leg to opposite hand, but it's almost similar to the hops. Now if I'm to do the clap hand movement with this, to look something like this. So both variations can go with it, but it's still the same thing. The hand that whip across, same side of the leg. Wow, I'm confusing myself with that right now. So practice this and I assure you, you'll be nailing it like a professional. And yeah, I'll be showing you the slow-mo version and close-up shot of this video so you can better understand this move in the next clip. Let's head on to the slow-mo version, guys. I know right now you are so pumped to pick up your rope and start nailing this move like a professional, but before you do that, I advise you to practice, guys. Practice very well to make sure you can do this at ease and like a professional. So you can practice at least 2 to 3 times a week to make sure you're nailing this move like a professional. And this brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like it, give us a thumbs up, share it with your friend who is still learning or trying to add more tricks to this jump rope tricks collection. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and let us know in the comment section what you feel we should work on, and we'll surely work on it, guys. Like hi 6911 did for us to be reshooting this video right now for you guys to better understand or get a good audio quality, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on our lovely content. Until next time, guys, remain beautiful, handsome, be fit, and most importantly, stay healthy. Take care of yourself, guys. Enjoy.